we speak about accommodation now, just understand that accommodation has to do with the lens. As much as pupil and mechanism had to do with the pupil size. So meaning when we speak about the accommodation now, this one has to do with the adjustment and the shape of what now? Of the lens. So this one now, we are actually now dealing with the shape of what now? Of the lens. So the adjustment of the shape of the lens. And secondly, the aim here. The pupillary mechanism was that now, the aim corner, was that now to control the amount of light that enters the eye. Meaning now, it would be reduced or it would be increased. Or there will be more light entering the eye or less light entering the eye. But when it comes to this one, is the aim is so that now the clear image is what now? Is formed. So normally when we speak about now accommodation, by definition we say it is the adjustment of what now? Of the lens. So that now a clear image is formed onto what now? Onto retina. Remember, when we spoke about now the adaptations and the functions now of the lens, we said the lens now, they are elastic, meaning the shape can be altered or changed so that a clear image is formed onto retina. Okay, fine. So listen to this one. So that means now we have distant vision and then we also have what now? Near vision. See? So when we speak about now near vision, please be with me. It's a vision now that is less than what now? 6 meters. Are we together? So they're going to make an example. We examine, be like, explain what is going to happen now in terms of accommodation when a person is reading a book. So if I'm reading a book, that is what now? That is near vision because it's a distance that is less than who now? 6 meters. But when we speak about distant vision, it's a distance that is greater than what now? 6 meters. Are we together? Okay, fine. So now let us give labels to this one now. You see here we have what now? Talk to me. So these are what now? These are ciliary what now? Muscles. So the ciliary muscles now, we say they what? Talk to me now. Ciliary muscles, they are going to what now? Contract. Talk to me. The ciliary muscles, they are going to do what now? Contract. Okay? And then now, when we have the ciliary muscles, please be with me now. You understand, okay? We are going to have what now, then now. So we have our suspensory ligaments now. So suspensory ligaments, understand that, okay? We say they what? Talk to me now. Slacking. You see? And then now again, we are going to have what now? The tension on the lens. So tension now on the lens. So tension on the lens now, we say it what now? Decreases. And then now we also have our lens there now. So lens, you must tell them now that the lens now become more convex now. So the lens become more convex. And then now, so you are showing again, it's okay. Then now, the light rays are, so the light rays now are refracted more. You see? And then now you tell them or you add now there, okay, number one, so or the last one now, sorry, you tell them, it's okay, light rays are what now? Are refracted more. And then you tell us, it's okay, light rays are focus now onto retina. Simple. So these are the things that you need to tell them when you speak about accommodation in terms of what now? Near vision. Now, you tell them then, okay, the suspensor or the ciliary muscles, number one, they contract. Then the suspensor ligaments, they what now? Slacken. Now, for you to master this is what I always say now. You see here, they've spoken about the ciliary muscles, and then here they've spoken about what now? The suspensory ligaments. So the way to remember this, you can just say CC. And then here you can just say SS. So meaning here, the ciliary muscles, they what now? Contract. Then the suspensory ligaments, they what now? Slacken. So once you have that, you won't make mistakes because they will do distance vision now as the opposite of that one. Then since the suspensory ligaments, they slacken, meaning they don't hold on to the lens like too much or very strong, but they are just there. Hence now we say the tension on the lens, it does what now? Decreases. So if the tension on the lens decreases now, then the lens now, they are going to be wide open or they are going to be more rounded. So we say the lens become what now? More. They don't become convex, but they become what now? More convex. As a result now, light rays are refracted more. Other books, they're going to say refractive power increases. Then the light rays focus onto retina. Then these points are going to give you 5 marks. Yeah, well? So I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years. So 6 marks. So this is the one this is the most important point. So now let's come to this side. You know that, okay, so this one is for near vision. This is what you're going to explain when it comes to what now? Near vision. What's that? So for near vision, when you look at something that is like more of a book, you look at your book like this. Your lens, they have to be more convex so that you can see throughout. You see? But when you look at something at distance now, your lens, they are going to be like this. Meaning this one is less convex. So I won't write the whole thing, but because now you know, here we have what now? The ciliary muscles. So we said here the ciliary muscles, they what now? Contract. Ciliary muscles, they what now? Relax. And then now we say there, the suspensory ligaments, they what now? Slacken. So the suspensory ligaments here, they become taut. Are you with me? And then now, we've also said now the tension on the lens this side now. So the tension on the lens does what now? Decreases. Just here, the tension on the lens is going to what now? Increases. Then the lens now, we said they become more convex. Then the lens this side, they become what now? Less convex. Are you with me? So the lenses are going to become less convex. And then we said light rays here are refracted more. Then now we're going to say here now, light rays, they are what now? Refracted. So the light rays would be refracted what now? Less. And then the famous point that is very important that I won't leave outside now, I'm going to add and say it as it is. Then light rays focus now onto retina. So light rays now focus onto retina. So that means what you're going to say here, ciliary muscles what now? Relaxes. Suspensory ligaments become taut. Then the tension on the lens increases. About light lens become less convex. Light rays are refracted less. Light rays focused onto retina. Are we together? So this is in terms of what now? The distant vision. Then this was in terms of the near vision. Now what I always say, master one side. Even if they want the other one, you just have to oppose the one that you know. Yeah, well, so you don't have to know both of them, just master only one. Then now you just have to know the opposite terms for that. For instance, slacken, you need to know that it's taut. Then once you know that, you mastered one. So clearly, when they ask you about the other one, you just have to oppose the one that you know. And everything will be fine. Are we together? Yes. Yeah, please have this note.